Inflammation is a natural process that occurs in the body as a response to injury, infection, or irritation. It is a complex biological response that involves various cells and chemical mediators that work together to protect the body from harmful stimuli and promote healing. When an injury or infection occurs, the body's immune system responds by releasing inflammatory mediators, such as cytokines and prostaglandins, which cause blood vessels to dilate, resulting in increased blood flow to the affected area. This increased blood flow brings white blood cells to the site of injury or infection, which helps to remove any harmful agents, such as bacteria or viruses. Inflammation is typically characterized by the 5 classic signs: pain, redness, swelling, heat, and loss of function. While acute inflammation is a necessary and beneficial response to injury or infection, chronic inflammation can be harmful and contribute to the development of a range of diseases, such as arthritis, asthma, and heart disease. Acute inflammation is a short-term, rapid, and protective response of the body to an injury or infection. It is a natural defense mechanism that helps the body to remove the cause of the injury or infection and promote healing. Acute inflammation is characterized by the 5 classic signs of inflammation: pain, redness, swelling, heat, and loss of function. These signs are the result of increased blood flow to the affected area, which brings white blood cells to fight off any invading pathogens and remove any damaged tissue. The acute inflammatory response is triggered by the release of chemical mediators, such as cytokines and prostaglandins, by immune cells at the site of injury or infection. These mediators cause blood vessels to dilate, increasing blood flow to the affected area, and causing the characteristic signs of inflammation. Acute inflammation typically lasts for a few days to a few weeks and is usually resolved once the underlying cause of the injury or infection is eliminated. However, in some cases, acute inflammation can progress to chronic inflammation, which can lead to tissue damage and the development of various diseases. Chronic inflammation is a long-term, persistent inflammatory response that can last for months or even years. Unlike acute inflammation, which is a protective response to an injury or infection, chronic inflammation can be harmful and damaging to the body. Chronic inflammation can be caused by a variety of factors, such as long-term exposure to toxins, autoimmune disorders, or chronic infections. It can also be caused by lifestyle factors, such as poor diet, lack of exercise, stress, and inadequate sleep. Chronic inflammation involves a complex interaction between immune cells, inflammatory mediators, and damaged tissue. Over time, chronic inflammation can lead to tissue damage, scarring, and the development of various diseases, such as arthritis, heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Common symptoms of chronic inflammation include fatigue, joint pain, stiffness, and swelling, as well as a general feeling of unwellness. Treatment for chronic inflammation often involves identifying and addressing the underlying cause, as well as lifestyle changes, such as adopting a healthy diet, regular exercise, stress management, and getting enough sleep. The symptoms of inflammation can vary depending on the location and severity of the inflammation. In general, the 5 classic signs of inflammation include: pain. Inflammation can cause pain or discomfort in the affected area. The pain may be sharp, throbbing, or aching. Redness. Inflammation can cause the affected area to become red or discolored. Swelling. Inflammation can cause the affected area to become swollen or puffy. The swelling may be accompanied by a feeling of tightness or stiffness. Heat. Inflammation can cause the affected area to feel warm or hot to the touch. Loss of function. Inflammation can cause a loss of function in the affected area, such as a decrease in range of motion or difficulty moving the affected body part. The treatment of inflammation depends on the underlying cause and severity of the inflammation. In general, the goals of treatment are to reduce inflammation, manage symptoms, and prevent complications. Here are some common approaches to treating inflammation. Medications. nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, such as aspirin, ibuprofen, and naproxen can help reduce inflammation and relieve pain. In more severe cases, corticosteroids may be prescribed to reduce inflammation and suppress the immune system. Lifestyle changes. Adopting a healthy lifestyle can help reduce inflammation. This may include eating a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein, getting regular exercise, getting enough sleep, and managing stress. Physical therapy. Physical therapy can help reduce inflammation and improve mobility and function. This may involve exercises, stretches, or other physical treatments to reduce pain and inflammation. Surgery. In some cases, surgery may be necessary to treat inflammation. For example, joint replacement surgery may be recommended for severe arthritis. Alternative therapies. Alternative therapies such as acupuncture, massage, and herbal supplements may also be used to treat inflammation, although their effectiveness may vary.